Hello, today we will guide you through how to change audio pitch in CapCut. To begin, open the CapCut app and get into your editing workspace. Once the app is open, you'll be ready to load the media you want to work with. If you're following along with a practice file, that works perfectly here, since the goal is simply to access the audio controls and change the pitch. Next, drag your sample video into the timeline. This step is important because CapCut needs the clip in the timeline before you can edit its audio settings. Make sure the clip is placed properly and selected so the app knows which media you want to adjust. If the clip contains spoken audio, music, or any original sound, that audio will be available for editing once the clip is active. After that, look to the top right area of the interface and click on Audio. This section gives you access to the sound-related tools for the selected clip. If you don't immediately see the options you expect, double-check that your video is still selected in the timeline, since CapCut often shows editing controls based on the currently highlighted clip. From the audio options, click on Voice Changer. This is the feature that allows you to modify how the audio sounds, including pitch-related changes. Even though the tool is labeled as a voice changer, it can still be useful for adjusting the tone and style of your clip's audio in a quick and accessible way. Once you're in the Voice Changer panel, search for the high option and select it. This preset is designed to raise the pitch, giving the audio a higher tone sound. It's a good starting point if you want a lighter, sharper, or more stylized vocal effect. Selecting this option applies the effect so you can preview how it changes the sound. Finally, drag the control to adjust the pitch. This lets you fine-tune the effect rather than relying only on the default preset. Move it gradually so you can hear the difference as you go. Small adjustments often sound more natural, while larger changes create a more dramatic effect. Take a moment to preview the audio and settle on the level that best fits your video. And that's it. You've now changed the audio pitch in CapCut using the voice changer tools. Once you're happy with the result, you can continue editing or save your project with the updated sound.